Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Kai here from Tic-Tac-Toe, and today we are going to review another Martian gear chair. This time round, the Starfighter, and here is the review. Firstly, just want to thank Martian Gear for sending us this chair. I've always wanted to test out an ergonomic chair, and thank you Martian Gear for creating this opportunity. So I've sat on this chair and lounged on it for about 2 weeks, and I am impressed by the overall performance. Of course, it is not a perfect chair, no product is, but as ergonomic goes, as comfort goes, this might be the perfect chair for you. Now, although the Starfighter is more of an ergonomic chair, it doubles up for gaming as well as productivity just as well. As for the design, I am a little bit biased because it has one of my favorite color combo scheme, which is red and black. The leather that they use is of vegan, so points to Martian Gear for going on that route. Looking at the entire design, you just gotta appreciate how well this was machined and put together. Much of the inspiration comes from state-of-the-art German automotive industrial robots. The build quality is great too. You can see premium grade materials being used all around. The backrest and the seat is installed with Martian Gear's own crypto mesh. Now, this is a high-grade 3-layer mesh made with DuPont's thermoplastic polyelastomer. That's just very industry-grade mesh. And because it is mesh, air flows breezily in between, which does not trap heat at all while you are working or gaming. The quality of the frame is no exception too. They use ADC12 aluminum alloy frame. This ADC12 is known for its durability and high resistance against corrosion. So you can very well have a peace of mind with the frame that they won't rust in your lifetime at least. Now, the chair has some smart ergonomic features which are all very new to me. First is its armrest. Now, typically on any gaming chairs, there will be levers or buttons on the armrest which will enable you to press on to elevate or lower the said armrest. But this time around, they have opted for a bit of manual adjustments here by having you pulling the armrest upwards. So when you are pulling upwards, there are notches on each pull. So you can pull and stop where you feel that this is the ideal armrest height for you. Now, initially I had made the mistake to pull the armrest all the way up, and having done so, it resets the notches and it will bring the armrest to its lowest position. So if you want to raise it, you gotta pull it one notch at a time with minimal force. There are 6 levels in total, so you need to fiddle around and see which is your perfect level. The notch system is also present on the back of the chair. Again, this is all very new to me. Most gaming chairs, they do not allow you to raise or lower the backrest. The Starfighter is the first that I've seen with this feature. This is also probably because I've not been testing out a lot of ergonomic chairs, so I might not know this. There are a total of 3 notch levels on the back, and again, all you need to do is pull it up. Similar to the armrest, pulling it up all the way will reset the notches, and depending on your own body height, you can simply adjust the backrest of the chair accordingly. Now, going back to the armrest, on the left side and the right side of the armrest, you can find 2 buttons. On the right side is the button to control the height of your seat, the normal, low to high. The button on the left controls the reclining position of the backrest of the chair. So all you gotta do is to press once to unlock, recline to your ideal position, and press the button again to lock it. This flows into the knob on the right side of the chair, which you can control the tension levels of the backrest recline. Roll it towards the plus and the recline becomes a bit more resistant, so you don't feel like you are suddenly falling back when you do recline. Roll it towards the minus and you decrease the tension, making it more like as if you are on a rocking chair. Additionally, still part of the reclining experience, if you go to the left side of the chair, there is a button which enables you to get this, slide in or slide out your seat. In my mind, this is typically used for 2 reasons. Number 1 is if you have a similar size buttocks as me, a rather non-small one, sliding a seat out will give your buttocks and your upper back thigh more surface area to sit on. Second reason would be to make your reclining experience even better. Having the backrest recline to the back is a 3-star experience. Adding the adjustments to the tension of your backrest recline is a 4-star experience. Completing that with a slide-out seat, man, that's a 5-star experience in total. Last but not least is a very important part of the chair, especially for those with back issues. The Starfighter is equipped with an adjustable lumbar support system. I'm a tall person and sometimes I do get back pains, especially on my lower back. After an extended sitting session, the lumbar support system is just amazing. And because it is adjustable, you can position to support which area of your lower back that needs more, shall we say, reinforcement. My wife Tiara, she has scoliosis and the lumbar support really does help her. So on the whole, this is an amazing piece of gaming/work ergonomic chair. The lumbar support alone is enough to make this chair a heavy consideration. The only complaint I have is that when I am reclining all the way to the back, the armrest cannot be adjusted to be slide out or to be pulled back to have my arms resting on it. Other than that, it fits my bill on any situations for gaming or work. It works wonders for me and I totally love it. The chair costs SGD $648, but the good news is that you can pay it by hula payment and that amounts to 3 times $216. That kind of pricing for these kind of chairs, it's really not that bad. Additionally, you can also enter tic-tac-toe during your checkout to enjoy $60 discount as well as having free delivery and free assembly. But I still think you should try out assembling the chair for yourself. You will see how much thought Martian Gear team, the R&D, the engineering team has put into this to make the entire assembly of this chair seriously crazy super simple. I assembled this chair in under 8 minutes and I'll end this video with a clip on how easy it is to assemble the entire chair. Alright guys, if you do enjoy this video, hit the like button, and if you're new to the channel, consider subscribing to the channel and hitting the bell notification button to be notified on a future video. Don't go away yet, check out the next clip for the assembly video. That's it from me. See you in the next video. Bye!